Hi guys, it's Anna and welcome back to my channel. Now I love to play around with different flavour combinations in smoothies, and at the moment this is one of my faves. It's super healthy and super delicious, hence its name, Super Smoothie. Into a blender we're going to add in the spinach, the hemp seeds, the pecans, peanut butter powder, the protein powder, the frozen banana, the milk, and I like to top it off with a little bit of water. Give that a good blitz until everything is well combined and the ingredients are broken down. Once finished, we'll top it off with some more hemp seeds. Yum, it's so good. If you don't have a lot of time to spare in the morning, this is perfect for breakfast and will keep you nice and full until lunch. So I really hope you enjoyed this quick little recipe today. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, and if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel, making sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Thanks so much for watching, I really do appreciate it, and I'll see you all next week. Bye bye!